Oh, hey, what's up, everyone? Mike here with the Watch This video for Wednesday, February 7th. Quick thank you to Wayne for covering my butt. I was not able to be there at all today. Quick glance at the SPY. We kind of pop into all-time highs here and look like we're coiling maybe for another move. The strength is pretty impressive. I'm going to slide this over. In case you're seeing my video for the first time, we are day traders. Man, I get so many comments on StockTwits. I'll have something on watch and they'll be like, yeah, on watch, so you don't have to take the blame if it goes the other way. And I didn't respond, but I'm thinking, I'm not in it, right? People think if you post about a stock, you're in it. I post stocks that I'm watching because I'm a day trader, make my money between the bells. So I think most people understand that, but you always get somebody, right? All right, so when I got home, I saw the big pop in PLTR. It was on the gap playlist. And immediately I went back to like the opening 10 minutes to see if anybody called it because, and let me go to it here. PLTR, there's the nice breakout, right? Huge move. Let me go to 5-minute candles. And I looked at it because I saw the big breakout and I knew it was on the gap playlist. And I noticed that it's topped right at 2050, right? Half number, sellers fail if it breaks that, a seller's fail scenario as we call it. And the one that I saw, Fernando posted the 2050 break idea, which is that half number inflection point. And it's right at that point where everyone who shorted the opening 5 minutes is wrong and has to cover, right? Let me pan out here. Hang on. All right, so there you go. So, the entry right there never came back. It may have come close to revisiting the breakout spot, right? And also in the fives buy zone. Some of you who missed this may have caught this fives buy zone high of day break, earlier high of day break retest. That's another beautiful setup. I didn't look for that in chat though, but anyway, great post by Fernando. From 2050, it went pretty quickly to 2185 and ultimately went up over 22 at one point. So anyway, I figured you guys caught that. Happy to see that you did. Anyway, let me go to the daily chart and show you what we're watching for tomorrow. Certainly PLTR is one of them. Kind of put the horizontal line at this high back here, most recent high, and it ended up closing about in that area, but may have a follow-through day tomorrow, so definitely goes on watch. DWAC is just on watch because it's been great to us, and it's a recent high flyer. EQ, big pop today. We're going to watch that one tomorrow, see if we get a follow-through setup. RUM is still just working its way higher. That thing has been stupid strong. RPRX. Nice pop today, right? Big volume and a very solid close. IMNM. Another big pop. Huge candle. So, that one, IMNM and RPRX probably need to come in for a couple days, but they're going to land on a chart for tomorrow. KOD, I'm going to put the horizontal line at this high back here. And you can see that was kind of a big breakout back here. Came back, retested the 20-day, and is curling back up. So that one is interesting to me. GRRR, just a recent high flyer, big rip yesterday. It maybe took out today's high yesterday's high this morning, put in a red candle, lower volume. It could be a third-day play, so it goes on watch. NRBO, I'm putting on bounce watch. It had this big rip, and now you're a few days lower on much lower volume. We'll see if we get a bounce play set up in that one. MINM, I don't know. This one had a big move, and now you're a few days lower, getting back down to it. You could argue this recent low here, or maybe it's going to get down to that buy zone area between the 8 and the 20, but I am going to put it on bounce watch for tomorrow. Roku, put a horizontal line here, a little extra volume today, right? And it's kind of close to a breakout, so we're going to watch that one. PXLW, really coiling here, gets interesting above the 220 area. IBRX, big list today, by the way. You had the big pop here, inside day, and it's curling back up, so I want to put that one on watch. TSVT. Nice breakout, kind of coiling, trying to curl up. Not in love with it, but I definitely want to keep an eye on it. Carvana, CVNA, a lot of shorts in the name. You can kind of picture a recent high there at that horizontal line, and it's curling back up. Over that is probably a breakout, probably could break out. It has been green for 3 days in a row, so keep that in mind. Probably needs to rest, test and rest maybe, right, as we say in chat. ULCC, nice volume today. and see the horizontal line at the most recent high. nice breakout. So maybe a follow through data there tomorrow. And then GDS, I think, and don't quote me on this, I think this is a China play, but I'm not positive. I should have looked it up before I made the video, but I'm too lazy. But nice volume. It looked like the China plays were strong today. And this one might have some more in it. So, you know what? Now I have to check. Okay, it is. It's a China play. And then last, I'm going to put forward the letter F on watch. Actually, kind of an interesting daily anyway, but that doesn't matter. I'm putting it on watch because in after hours, it's trading at 1286 as I'm talking to you. So trading, you know, up in this area right here. So I think they had earnings. So a gap, potential gap play tomorrow. And, you know, we'll see maybe some other plays get pin action off of forward, but that's plenty to watch. And we'll add gappers as we always do in the pre-market as well. Thanks to everybody who helped me out in after hours with some of my charting and stuff that I'm, you know, experimenting with. So, all right. Anyway, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.